If you're experiencing payment failures on Payhawk, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common problems. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that the payment method you are using is valid and has sufficient funds. Verify that the card details entered are correct, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Step 2. Review transaction limits. Confirm that you are not exceeding any transaction limit set by your bank or Payhawk. Check both daily and monthly limits to ensure your transaction falls within these parameters. Step 3. Update account information. Make sure that your account information is up to date. This includes verifying your billing address and ensuring that your Payhawk account is properly linked to your payment method. Step 4. Contact your bank. If the payment method appears valid, reach out to your bank or card issuer. There may be security measures in place that are blocking the transaction, and they can provide assistance in resolving the issue. Step 5. Reach out to Payhawk support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment failures on Payhawk efficiently. If issues persist, ongoing communication with support will be key to finding a solution.